Why does your scanner show the P0171 engine code? What does it mean? P0171 is a diagnostic trouble code for System 2, lean at Bank 1. This means that the PCM is relaying that the engine is receiving too much air into the combustion chamber and not enough fuel. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty oxygen sensor, dirty or faulty MAF sensor, vacuum leaks, clogged fuel injectors, low fuel pressure, clogged fuel filter, faulty fuel pressure sensor, exhaust leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code comes in various vehicles, most commonly comes in Nissan, Chevy, and Toyota models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.